Crypto whale transfers approximately 29 million XRP to exchange. XRP, Ripple, continues to be on the radar of investors due to ongoing speculation surrounding the Ripple SEC case. Whale Alert, a platform that reports on movements in blockchains, announced in the early hours of the day that a crypto whale transferred 28.6 million XRP to a wallet address belonging to a cryptocurrency exchange. This transfer follows the attention-grabbing transfer of 75 million XRP that sparked speculation among market participants this week. Crypto whale moves approximately 29 million XRP to exchange. According to on-chain data, a crypto whale transferred approximately 28.6 million XRP, worth around $14.64 million, from an unknown wallet address to the cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp. This transfer occurred after an anonymous source sent 100 million XRP to Ripple Labs over the weekend, and shortly after it was discovered that the transaction was associated with a wallet address linked to Canadian cryptocurrency exchange SideShift. The transfer of 100 million XRP was followed by Ripple transferring 75 million XRP to one of its wallets and 46 million XRP to an unknown wallet address. These transactions indicate Ripple's involvement in over-the-counter exchanges or direct asset redistribution. According to Bithomp, the company also transferred 30 million XRP from a Ripple wallet address to the Bitstamp exchange in another transaction. Potential impact of FOMC's interest rate decision on XRP's price. Despite the recent significant XRP transaction, which attracted attention and presented a potential sell signal, the price of the altcoin gained momentum, approaching 52 cents. At the time of writing, XRP is trading at $0.5189, up 1.99%, with a daily trading volume surpassing $1 billion, an increase of 0.17%. Recently, XRP came under scrutiny after legal representatives of Ripple criticized the New York State Department of Financial Services for delisting XRP from its approved cryptocurrencies and stablecoins list. In addition, attorney John Deaton, representing XRP investors in the SEC case, hinted at an important announcement. Although the nature of this announcement remains uncertain, it sparked speculation in the market. Furthermore, crypto investors are focused on today's FOMC meeting and the interest rate decision. Experts predict that a rate hike decision, if made, would have an impact not only on the price of XRP but also on the entire cryptocurrency market. While the market is not expecting a rate hike from the Fed, any surprise decision has the potential to significantly affect market sensitivity. Fed announces interest rate decision today. What are the expectations? Will Bitcoin be affected? Fed Chairman Jerome Powell stated that the committee will assess the impact of the last interest rate hikes as the end of the interest rate hike campaign approaches. Wall Street giants expect a pause in September, but rising oil prices threaten to elevate inflation once again. CME's Fed Watch tool shows a 99% probability of a pause at the next FOMC meeting on September 20th. Meanwhile, the US dollar index, DXY, is still above 105. The U.S. Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, will announce the eagerly anticipated interest rate decision today. Expectations for the interest rate decision. The Fed will announce the interest rate decision today. The U.S. Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, will announce the interest rate decision on Wednesday. It is expected that the FOMC will maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 5.25% to 5.5%, which is the highest level in 22 years. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell stated that as the committee approaches the end of the interest rate hike campaign, they will evaluate the impact of the recent interest rate hikes. Although inflation is still above the Fed's 2% target, the FOMC committee will announce a pause for the second time this year. However, if inflation rises, the Fed may raise rates by another 25 basis points by year-end. The Fed's preferred measure of inflation, the annual PCE rate, rose from 3% in June to 3.3% in July. The labor market has cooled, and the unemployment rate has increased. Wall Street giants expect a pause in September, but rising oil prices threaten to elevate inflation once again. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Barclays, BNP, BMO, Bloomberg, Nomura, RBC, and Wells Fargo are all expecting a pause. Raymond James and Mizuho, on the other hand, expect a 25 basis point increase. We expect the Fed to maintain its interest rates at the FOMC meeting tomorrow without changes and continue the tightening trend. We believe the midpoint for 2023 will show one more increase this year, but there is a risk of revising the long-term point to higher levels. CME's Fed Watch tool shows a 99% probability of a pause at the next FOMC meeting on September 20th. Meanwhile, the US dollar index, DXY, is still above 105. which carries the risk of continued pressure on the BTC price. Bitcoin approaches $30,000. BTC price has dropped by 1% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $26,970. The lowest and highest levels in the last 24 hours were $26,918 and $27,488, respectively. However, the price is fluctuating ahead of the Fed's monetary policy decision. Bitcoin has risen by 5% in the last week while traders expect significant upward momentum after the Fed's announcement. This indicates that technical chart patterns may bring back a stronger bullish sentiment. Nomura's laser digital subsidiary unveils Bitcoin fund for institutional investors. Nomura, with $500 billion in assets, introduces the Bitcoin Adoption Fund. On-chain Bitcoin activity grows, hinting at a potential bull run. Laser Digital plans to unveil more digital adoption solutions soon. In a groundbreaking move that underlines the increasing legitimacy of cryptocurrency, Japan's premier investment bank, Nomura, has ushered in a Bitcoin adoption fund targeted at institutional investors. This innovative initiative reinforces Bitcoin's stance in the financial market and exemplifies the growing interest of traditional finance institutions in digital currencies. Recently, the crypto analytics platform Santiment published a tweet offering key metrics on Nomura's Bitcoin Adoption Fund. Laser Digital Asset Management, Nomura's specialized digital asset subsidiary, is the architect behind this new Bitcoin Adoption Fund. A financial powerhouse, Nomura boasts an impressive asset portfolio of over $500 billion. Widely recognized for offering top-tier brokerage services, Nomura now provides its institutional clientele a direct gateway to Bitcoin through this fund. A statement from the banking behemoth hinted at broader plans in the crypto sector. The Bitcoin Adoption Fund, according to Nomura, is merely the pioneer of an array of digital adoption investment strategies they envision introducing to the market. This proclamation underscores the bank's commitment and bullish outlook on the future of cryptocurrencies. A cryptocurrency analyst, Ali, shared a Twitter post providing insights on the current BTC market. In an intriguing observation linked to Bitcoin's market trends, evidence suggests a looming bull run. What makes this presumption potent is the mounting on-chain activity concerning Bitcoin. Historically, a surge in new Bitcoin wallets' monthly average, notably when outpacing the yearly average, indicates solid network fundamentals. This uptrend in on-chain activities, juxtaposed with the current stagnant Bitcoin prices, offers a tantalizing hint that Bitcoin might be gearing up for another rally. Such fervent on-chain activities epitomize heightened interest and trust in the currency. This increased adoption and use predict that Bitcoin's price could soon mirror its network's vitality. At the time of writing, BTC is trading at $27,121, with a 24-hour surge of nearly 1.01%. BTC rallied above $27,000 after a strong, bullish day in the market. The buyers remain firm, and if the momentum continues, BTC would touch $28,000 soon. By launching the Bitcoin Adoption Fund, Nomura hasn't just showcased its belief in the potential of digital currencies, it has solidified its position as a forward-thinking financial institution ready to bridge the chasm between traditional finance and the nascent world of cryptocurrencies. For market observers and crypto enthusiasts alike, this move is a testament that digital currencies are not just a fad. They are rapidly evolving into a mainstay in global finance. In conclusion, with the integration of giants like Nomura into the Bitcoin landscape, the cryptocurrency's journey towards widespread acceptance and adoption is on an accelerated path. As traditional finance and digital currencies converge, the future of finance looks not just digital but more inclusive and diversified.